Welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting new update for Google Chrome that allows you to customize your toolbar on PC. This feature gives you more control over your browsing experience, making it easier to access the tools you use most. Let's get started with the steps to personalize your toolbar. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you're using the latest version to access all the new features. Once you have it open, look at the top right corner of your browser window. Next, click on the three dots icon. This is your gateway to a variety of options and settings in Chrome. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, scroll down to Settings. Clicking on this will take you to the Settings page, where you can adjust various aspects of your browser. Now, look for the Appearance section in the left sidebar and click on it. This section contains all the options related to how Chrome looks and feels. Here, you'll find an option labeled Customize Your Toolbar. Once you enter the customization area, you'll see all available toolbar buttons. This is where the fun begins. You can choose which buttons you want to keep visible on your toolbar. Simply toggle them on or off according to your preferences. After making your selections, make your changes by dragging and dropping icons into your desired order, or removing any that you don't need. This flexibility allows you to create a toolbar that truly fits your browsing style. Finally, once you're satisfied with your new setup, simply close the Settings tab. Your changes will be saved automatically, and you'll notice that your toolbar now reflects your personal preferences. With these simple steps, you've successfully customized your Google Chrome toolbar. Enjoy a more streamlined and personalized browsing experience that enhances your productivity. Remember, this feature is part of Chrome's ongoing efforts to improve user experience, so keep an eye out for future updates that may offer even more customization options. Happy browsing!